Hello, and welcome to Someka's Business Model Canvas template. This tool mainly helps you to summarize the key drivers of a business. Our template offers you two different options, the dynamic canvas and the blank canvas. Before starting with these two optional canvases, let us explain what a business model canvas is. As a strategic management tool, Business Model Canvas is a one-page document consisting of 9 main boxes, which are the key partners, key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relations, channels, customer segments, and finally the cost structure and the revenue streams. With this tool, you may display the key drivers of your new or existing business with post-it notes on a white canvas. Let's start with our dynamic canvas option. The dynamic canvas has two parts, a list for your notes and the canvas itself. On the list, you will select the box name from the drop-down menu and then write your note. Then you will select the color from the drop-down menu again. And the note directly goes to the canvas with the selected color. That's much easy. On the canvas, you can write your company name and date. You can also have some general notes at the bottom of the canvas. You may also change the names of the key drivers. If there's already data on the list before your change, the template will give you a pink warning about the non-existing names. Just reselect the new name from the drop-down menus and your notes will come back. Additionally, this canvas is totally print ready. Write your notes and take a printout to present your business. Now it's time to look at our blank canvas option. The blank canvas gives you full opportunity to customize your notes. You will see a post-it palette on the right side of your canvas with drag and drop post-it notes. You may drag any note to anywhere on the canvas, then write your notes. These shapes are fully customizable. You can easily resize the shapes, change the color, the fonts, etc. The blank canvas is also print ready with a landscape orientation. As an additional note, for an easier dragging and aligning, you may open Snap to Grid option. To activate Snap to Grid, select any shape, go to Shape Format, Align, and click Snap to Grid. Now you can easily drag and align your shapes. Besides, the grid lines are left open in this area, but if you want, you can close it easily by unchecking the grid line box under the View option. Now you have a white canvas. As a final word, please note that there's a blue guide on the right side of the template, which may guide you to prepare your business model. There are detailed explanations for each of the main boxes of the template. That's all. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.